Greetings from Wallkill View Farm. My name is Andrew Sinno. I am the Greenhouse Assistant Manager. This is my first year here, but I have worked here since I was 15 as a seasonal employee, so I'm very excited to be a part of the team this season. Today we're going to talk about some lovely plants earlier in the season. We are not quite in the outside gardening season. This is a Sonnetti. It's not quite opened up yet, but within a few days it'll have this beautiful array of color. And next to me you can see a beautiful array of assortment of gift flowers. This first one, Easter is very close. This is the Easter Lily. Very fragrant. Not something you would plant outdoors. Some people love the smell, some people don't, but yet again, very beautiful, great for tabletops. Some people have a little bit of allergies to them, but a little trick is to actually take out the anthers in the flower so that it doesn't stain your clothes or your tablecloth or potentially give you some seasonal allergies. So that's a little bit about the Easter lily. In addition, beautiful primroses. What I love about primroses is that they're fragrant and just the assortment of colors, really great. Here's a different primrose variety, shorter, great for tabletops. In addition, we have plenty of violas. You can plant violas and pansies out very soon. And one of my favorites are forest bulbs. Today right here I have a miniature daffodil tet. You could actually safely plant this outside in a planter if you want it by your doorstep. Good trick for any of these plants, keep them in a cool spot or by a drafty window. They will last much longer. But what I like about the forest bulbs is that when they're done, don't cut the foliage. You can easily plant them in your garden and you can enjoy them for years to come. That's all I have for plant stuff today. I hope to have many more future discussions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you and meet you all soon at the farm stand. Thank you.